It's the king here on lockdown. Little known secret. You know why they call me the king? Cause ever since I was a tiny little boy, my mama called me the king of toys. Cause I loved me some toys. And you know what's helped me get through this quarantine? My buddies over at SD Toys. And also to keep my tiny teeny little toy makers, or as I call them, Elvises, spirits up during these trying times, I go to the factory and I sing them a little ditty. Wise men play with SD Toys, cause I can't stop playing with SD Toys. Yes, I'm in love with my SD Toys.
Oh, Elvis, that's so true. Toys do bring joy. I've been quarantining too. Oh, SD Toys. That's super secret code for smart and distinctive toys. We have been producing and fulfilling direct to consumer and essential business orders daily. We're excited for this opportunity to reconnect with toy resellers and prepare for a busy and profitable holiday season. Because who doesn't like profit?
Now the king loves profitability, so this is what I'm gonna do for you.
Woo, tell him, Elvis.
In order to help our tiny little toy resellers out there ease back into business, the king is excited to offer the following terms through the end of 2020. First, $250 orders get free freight, as in free.
Oh, $250 gets you free freight.
Can you believe it?
I can't believe it, Elvis.
$500 orders qualify for net 60 terms. And get this, $1,000 orders receive a 5% discount.
$1,000? 5%? Are they crazy?
That gotta be crazy. Demo pieces also available on request. Now, how to contact someone to order or with questions.
I'll tell him, Elvis.
Tell them.
SK Orders at skullduggery.com. Toll-free number 800-336-7745.
Marilyn, give them that toll-free number again.
800-336-7745. Or fax at 714-777-4475. Through Toy Fair Anywhere.
Love me some Knuckle-Headz. What do you think, little king? Oh, there's some fun things right here. Look at that Knuckle-Head. Watch it. Watch it, little Knuckle-Head. Watch it. Whoa! Look at that Knuckle-Head. This is a little king here. Hey, little king. You ready to go? You ready? 1, 2, 2.5. You ready? Oh, let's go. You ready? What? Oh no! We had a partial lift off. Oh, you ready, king? Oh my goodness. This is my old buddy Finn and my other buddy Fang. Boy, they like to race. Watch them. Let's go, boys. You guys ready? You guys ready? We're rolling again. Whoa! Whoa!
Elvis is taking a nappy. But it's the perfect opportunity for me to show you the exquisite design of SD Toys Knuckle-Headz. Look, the colors pop, just like their heads pop off. And the colors, ooh, they are sure to draw in the customers into your beautiful stores. Come closer for a look.
The classic pullback, my favorite. Single packs only $5 cost, $9.99 MSRP. 2 packs, $10 cost, $19.99 MSRP. Boy, those guys from SD Toys, they're crazy.
Elvis!
We're gonna take my remote control Knuckle-Head and run it into my pullback Knuckle-Head. Go get 'em, mama baby, go, 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 go. What? Oh man, you're showing off now. You're gonna get it. Remote control version Only $15 cost. That's right, I said it. $15 cost, $29.99 MSRP.
Elvis is taking a bath. He's playing with toys just like he did when he was a little boy. Let's take a look.
And I'm a gator. I gotta swim. Always eat. Oh, we. Yeah, we buddies, are we? Let's go. I just wanna say. Wanna go see. Oh. Marilyn.
For all you crafty kids out there, SD Toys has new Eyewitness kits and new Perfect Craft kits. How perfectly crafty!
Oh, hello. You just caught me casting a kitty with the Eyewitness cat casting kit. While that sets up, let me show you my collection. Oh, I'll just put the finishing touches on my Siamese kitty cat. I have quite a collection of kitty cats, and here are the llamas I'm going to paint next. This is how they look when they come out of the mold making kit. Look at all my doggies I painted from the Eyewitness dog casting kit. Here's a German Shepherd I finished painting earlier today. Roof, roof, roof. And one more treat for all of you boys and girls. New from Perfect Craft Kits for you boys and girls out there who loves unicorns. It's a unicorn. You can cast it, paint it, and then display it for all of your friends on the display case. And who doesn't love a unicorn, but who doesn't love a mermaid? I was the model for this. Isn't she pretty? You can cast her, paint her, and also do the same with your display form. Well, if that doesn't make all the boys and girls just crazy out there. Aren't they beautiful? Look, so am I. Hello, Marilyn. So go get your Perfect Craft kits, your dog casting kits, and your cat casting kits from Eyewitness Kits today. Whether you're a dog lover or a cat lover or even a unicorn lover or a llama lover or a unicorn, did I say unicorn lover? Oh, so get your kit today. Stay tuned for all the costs. Now go resell.
3 new Eyewitness kits, $7.50 cost. 12-pack master can be assorted with other Eyewitness and Perfect Craft kits. And 2 new Perfect Craft kits, $7.50 cost. 12-pack master can be assorted with other Perfect Craft and Eyewitness kits.
Hello, look at the pretty marble racers. Remote, and they light up. Go!
Oh, now you're just showing off. Now, as you probably know, SD Toys has 2 versions of their marble racers, and they're all top quality with the king. First, we have your remote control version, which is $15 cost and $29.99 MSRP. Now for the classic pullbacks, my favorite, there's 3 series available. We've got the original, which are red and blue colors. We have emergency vehicle, racing vehicles,
and each unit only costs $5. That's $9.99 MSRP, 16 units to a PDQ display. Mama baby, does it get any better than that? Sounds to me like you should go buy these PDQs.
We are so fortunate that SD Toys have these fun marble racers. They have kept us so occupied and having so much fun during the quarantine.
Oh, Mama
Go,
baby.
Elvis, go!
It's more fun than a barrel of monkeys. Mama baby.
Okay, Elvis, you're on.
Oh, Mama, you cheated.
I got a head start on you,
You cheated.
Elvis.
Get him on this side. What? So SD Toys has 3 Tracer Racer RC sets. We have the Blazing Loop Speedway, which is 25 scorching feet of track, only $40 cost with $79.99 MSRP. Then we have the Super Looper Speedway, 36 feet of track, my lord, only $50 cost, $99.99 MSRP. And new for 2020, straight from the king, the Super 8 Speedway. That's 46 feet of track. Let me say that again. 46 feet of track. $60 cost, $119.99 MSRP. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, baby, let me lay it down for you. All RC racer sets have light trace technology. Let me repeat that. Light trace technology. 500-mile-an-hour scale speed, dual lane competition, and variable speed racing. What else could you ask for?
And now for a little Elvis and Marilyn.
After dark.
Oh, Marilyn.
Come on,
1,
Elvis.
2, 3. Go. You went.
Oh, I got a head start on you, Elvis.
You cheat. Oh man, this is so much fun.
I'm gonna go backwards.
I don't think I've ever had this much fun after dark.
I can catch up with you backward or forward, Elvis.
Now the king just loves playing the Tracer Racers in the dark. As a matter of fact, I do my best work in the dark. Ready? And I can go backwards. What?
SD Toy bloopers!
Also, what's brand new and Marilyn loves new shiny things is from Perfect Craft Kits. Look at this. It's a teeny tiny unicorn. Look. Check this out. It's a teeny tiny unicorn. Who doesn't love a unicorn? Oh, and new from Perfect Craft Kits for you boys and girls out there who loves unicorns. It's a unicorn. You can cast it, paint it, and then display it for all of your friends on the display case. Goes with.
Oh, head done pop off. Hold on.
Oh, dude, we gotta find the head. Where's the head? Oh, that's not it. Oh.
I can't find the head.
I'm quarantining too. It's going backwards.
Come on, Mama.
Oh my god, I panicked and I didn't do what I wanted to do. I'm like, am I...
You don't panic.
Let's look at this golden retriever. He's everyone's favorite. Roof, roof, roof. Woman's best friend too. They're featured in this very nice case, so you can see the Knuckle-Headz and they all come together and look so displayable.
Hold on a second, you wanna see it? You ready? You ready? We gotta move your foot.
Either way, the display is sure to bring the customer to the forefront and for them to say, "Whoa, what is that?" Let me pick it up out of the display box. It's a Knuckle-Headz, and their names are right on there. Whether you want a shark or a lion or a lizard or a bulldog, they're all here.
Not a lizard.
Whether you want a shark or a bulldog or a dinosaur. They all can fit in this wonderful display case. For the display, I'm just putting the finishing touches on my Siamese cat. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. I have quite the collection. Orange kitty, black kitty, white kitty, teeny tiny kitty. Today, whether you're a dog lover or a cat lover or even a unicorn lover or a llama lover or a unicorn, did I say unicorn lover? Or if you're a llama lover, I'm a cross-eyed. No matter what animal you like, we have everything you could possibly want. I think I'm high on paint fumes. Oh, so get your kit today. Stay tuned for all the costs. Now go resell. Oh my God!
Watch it, little Knuckle-Headz. Watch it. Whoa! Knuckle-Headz.
Oh, he loves fast cars and fast women.
And they don't get much faster than you, baby.
Oh, Elvis, it's been so much fun to quarantine together because we've had so much fun with toys.
That's from SD Toys.
SD Toys.